Hi guys, here most of the guys answer negative 32 for this problem in wrong order. Here 2 power 3 is 8 times 5 plus 7 in bracket minus 4 power 2. Here 8 times 5 plus 7 is 12 minus 4 to the power of 2. Here 8 times 12 minus 4 square is 16. Here 8 times this is negative 4. Now 8 times negative 4 is negative 32 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations PEMDAS, this negative 32 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in correct order. Here this is a bracket higher priority, this is a exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for addition, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication division both are equal priority. Also this addition subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority, so we have to do this bracket before this operations. Here 2 power 3 times, here 5 plus 7 is 12 minus 4 to the power of 2. The next priority is the exponent. Here we have the exponent, so we have to do this before this multiplication and subtraction. Here 2 power 3 is 8 times 12 minus 4 to the power of 2 is 16. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have multiplication, so we have to do this multiplication before this subtraction. Here 8 times 12 is 96 minus this 16. Here 96 minus 16 is 80 is the correct answer.